1950 Jeepster, Willys Overland, and it's really, the Jeepsters are freaking cool. They're kind of like car-like a little bit, but they got the four-wheel drive in it. But look at the top, cheetah print interior, nice vinyl, really good, really good. Yeah. Is that a 3 on a tree? Is that a 3 on a tree? Yeah. You got your steps to get in there. Damn, that's super nice. That's super nice. That is super nice. The thing is, with these older cars, you can fix them actually. You know, the new stuff, it works when it works, great when it works, but if you've got a problem with it, you're digging out some real analytical equipment. I'm not just talking about a code reader. There's a nice big window back there too. Nice wheels. See, you got the theme carried onto the shifter knob. That's a 3-speed, right?
Yeah, 4-cylinder engine.
4-cylinder, 90 horse or something around there. You got a cheetah boot on there too, huh?
Yeah.
It's awesome. That is awesome.